Okay, so now we're actually going to make our necklace. So what you're gonna need to make the necklace is you're gonna need your little Perler bead bat creation that you've already made. 4 jump rings, these are 6mm each, a lobster clasp, some chain, I believe this is 3.2mm, and finally you'll need some jewelry pliers to open up the jump rings. So the very first thing I'm going to do is take my chain, and I clipped the 2 ends together with a safety pin. This is optional, but that's just what I am going to do. And I'm going to find the very middle of my chain and then open up that chain link, take the other end of that chain off and then close that chain link back up. Okay, just like that. So now you should have 2 chains that are the same length. I'm going to go to one of the ends here and open up one of my jump rings, and I'm going to put it on that very last chain link, and then I'm going to put my lobster clasp on that jump ring and then close that jump ring up just like that. Now I'm going to open up my second jump ring, put the jump ring on that very last chain there. Also keep in mind you can use any sort of closure piece for the necklace. I'm just using a lobster clasp and a big jump ring, but you can use any type of closure that you'd like. Now we have this big jump ring on here and the lobster clasp, so these 2 will be the ends of the necklace. So now we can get on to these ends. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up one of my jump rings and put the jump ring through this bead of my bat, just like that. And now I'm going to put one of my chain links through there, onto the jump ring, and then I'm going to close the jump ring up, just like that. Now we're going to do that on the other side. Just open up that jump ring, put the jump ring through the bat's wing, put that last chain link on the jump ring, and then close the jump ring up, just like that. So now you have this super cute bat necklace, perfect for Halloween. If you like jewelry like this, make sure to subscribe so you can see all of my other Halloween videos that will be coming out this month. But other than that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a happy Halloween, and thanks for watching.